First, I'll set things up by creating two scenes, which will be the levels to switch between. If you're following along, create a levels folder and add a 2D scene called level 1 and another 2D scene called level 2. We need a visual indicator so we can tell which level is currently loaded, so add a color rect to both levels and set them to be different colors. Because we're doing this the quick and dirty way, we won't be creating a level manager. Instead, attach a new script to both of the levels. We can just use the built-in unhandled input function to check whether UI accept is pressed, then add the following code: getTree.changeSceneToFile, and pass in the path of the 2D scene. Godot will give you autocomplete suggestions for all of the scene paths in your project. When you finish, you can copy and paste from one script to another to go faster. Just make sure level 1 switches to level 2 and level 2 switches to level 1. Run either one of your scenes, and now when you press enter or spacebar, you will see the color of the square change as your game switches from one level to another. Unfortunately, Godot's change scene to file method first unloads the current scene, then begins loading in the new scene. This can result in an ugly gray flash as the background you see in the editor shows for a brief moment. You can change this in the project settings under Rendering, Environment, Defaults, Default Clear Color. The issue now is that the background is black when you're editing the 2D scenes. If you want it to only be black when your game is running, then just go to whatever scene script will load first in your game and create a definition for the built init function. Put the following code inside: rendering server.setDefaultClearColor, color 0001, and now the ugly gray flash is gone. As always, if you want, you can follow for more tips or sign up for a game dev coaching session via the link in the description.